My name is Kimberly Peak. I'm the Director of Rockdale Water Resources. I'm responsible for the water and wastewater facilities here in the county. So what is the cycle of water? The cycle of water pretty much comes from our water reservoir that serves all of our clean water to citizens.
My name is Benoit Merv. I'm the water treatment plant manager, Rockdale County Water Resources. We add to the water dam, our main water source for Rockdale County. My main responsibility of every day is to provide safe drinking water to Rockdale County.
Good afternoon. My name is Curtis Brooks with Rockdale Water Resources. Big Cane Creek is on the north end of Rockdale County. That's where the water flows into our reservoir that kind of reserve and harness the water until we're ready to use it. Once it leaves the reservoir, continue to travel down Big Cane Creek to our intake.
From that water reservoir, that water is taken to our water treatment facility, the one water treatment facility that we have here in Rockdale County. Once it's taken to that treatment facility, it is treated. That water is treated and then discharged to our water distribution system, which are pipes that pushes that water and discharges that water to customers' water service line, which are also pipes.
Once the water has left the water plant and been pumped out into the system, it is my job to keep that water in the pipe until it reaches its initial destination, which is you.
Hi, my name is Kelly Foster, and I am the Business Affairs Manager at Rockdale Water Resources, also known as Big Blue. We assist our customers by answering any general questions our customers have. The building, as well as the drive-through, is open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. We are here to make the customer experience as smooth as possible.
In efforts to fastly repair some of the aging infrastructures, we got multiple contractors that do multiple things in support of sewer rehab. The guy I was speaking with first was one of the contractors that does mostly our pipe repairs. From time to time, I go through all the CCTV and find, certain situations that seem like it'll be a little more complicated, based off depth, because 20 foot is deep. So usually we'll sit down and we'll have collective conversations about what's the best approach to repair something that's just a little bit out of the ordinary.
Hello, my name is Keith Durden. I work for CERN. We're here on the Rockdale County project. We're over the Rehab program. I'm the lead guy for CERN over the program. Without this program, you just don't know, because you don't have anybody that's delegated to go out and to actually look for these things. In the past, as far as Rockdale, the only time you knew sewer out of the system is if somebody just ran across it. You're out walking your dog or foul odor, and that's the way that they knew back then. But now we actually have men on the ground going out looking for it. And that's what this program offers. And not just looking for it, but once we find it, we fix it.
That water from the water service line goes to customers' home. Once that water gets to a customer's home, that customer uses that water for their bathtubs, they use it for their sinks, they use it for drinking water, whatever purpose that customer want to use that water for. At that particular time, once that water is used, that water is discharged through our wastewater treatment facility, or our wastewater sewer system.
Hi, my name is Richard Porter. I'm the project manager here in Rockdale County for ESG Operations. We work with Rockdale County to manage their wastewater treatment and their pump station operations. And we are at the Snapping Shoals wastewater treatment plant. In this treatment plant, what we do is we try to remove all the material from the water that could be damaging from the receiving stream. The goal of one of these plants is to remove anything that would be pollution from the water so that these receiving streams can continue to grow and thrive and be healthy. So the water coming out of here is very clear, it has very little pollution in it, and hopefully the quality of the receiving stream improves as we add water.
Once that water is sent to our wastewater treatment facility, it is then discharged into an open body of water. That is the cycle of water.
Hi, I'm Terrence Simpkins, the Director of Rockdale County Stormwater Management. Now, what is stormwater? Stormwater management is the process of controlling the stormwater runoff that comes primarily from impervious surfaces like parking lots, driveways, and rooftops. So what does all that mean? Stormwater management is here to prevent our roadways from flooding, our properties from flooding, and any damage to personal property.
Hi, my name is Viola Harris, and I'm the Business Accounts and Customer Service Liaison here at Stormwater. So some things that we do here, one of the things that we do here at Stormwater is take customer service requests. A service request is when a customer calls in with a problem. Maybe their yard is flooding or their storm drain is clogged, and one of the ladies here, myself, or one of the customer service ladies up front will take their information, their name, address, phone number, input it into our software database system. It then in turn goes to one of our engineers who will go out and take a look at the customer problem, talk to the customer, and see if it is a stormwater related issue that we may be able to help with. The importance of the stormwater fee. I do know a lot of customers do sometimes ask, well, what is stormwater and what is the importance of me paying the stormwater fee? Well, the importance of the stormwater fee is to maintain the infrastructure of the stormwater pipes throughout the entire county. It is very important to present any customer from, let's say, God forbid, hydroplaning as that they're going along their business day to day. It is to, in fact, keep their streets from flooding. It is, in fact, to make sure that their drains stay clear. It is to make sure that if you have a deteriorated pipe that may have to, like the road collapse, to prevent that from happening.
Hey, my name is Sophia Ali Brown, and I am the Licensed Permit Analyst of Rockdale County Stormwater. Basically, I do the land disturbance permits. I am the beginning process of the economic and growth development of Rockdale County, residential and commercial. My job entails anytime that you're disturbing the natural vegetation and soil of the county, you would have to come to me first to actually get that permit that will allow that disturbance. When applying for that land disturbance permit, all of our beginning processes start online. So you would go to our website at rockdalecounty.gov, go under Stormwater Management, and you will see land disturbance permits. Everything is submitted digitally. All of your applications, all of your site plans, everything will come through an email, and that's the beginning process of obtaining your permit.
My name is Jana Bennett. I am the project coordinator for the Stormwater Department here at Rockdale County. My responsibilities here is to inspect all of the stormwater conveyances, to find the deficiencies, repair them with our contractors, and follow the project from start to finish. If there's, say for example, there's a deteriorated pipe which sits under your home, depending on whether or not it's in our right-of-way, it is our job as a department to inspect and to find out if we can rehabilitate it or if we can repair it. We must prioritize our projects based on deficiency, and what that means is we have to take the most important project that could cause a lot of craziness for a lot of our Rockdale County citizens.
Hello, I'm Martin Ellis. I am the Maintenance and Construction Division Manager here at the Stormwater Department, and I manage our in-house field crews. As far as for our citizens in Rockdale County, we do our best to serve them, to address every complaint. There is, however, some limits of responsibility for the county. We are working within the county right-of-way. That's the area that we focus on the most. There are issues that we have where we have calls where there's problems on private property. If somebody has an issue in their backyard because they have a low lot, that's something that as a stormwater department we're not able to address. We can certainly go out and give them some suggestions on how to resolve the issue, but it's not something as a department we're able to do. We don't have the manpower or the funds available to address private property issues.
My name is Michael Ball. I work for the Stormwater Department of Rockdale County, and I'm a stormwater infrastructure specialist. We have contractors that come in and maintain some of our larger infrastructure jobs, larger pipe system, difficult systems to make repairs on. I inspect them prior to doing it, and I inspect them after the job is done. So it is a large spectrum of inspections, holding contractors accountable as well as our employees, but making sure we do the best job for Rockdale citizens and get them the best information to help them.
The Department of Stormwater Management's administrative offices are located at 1119 West Avenue in Conyers. If you have a drainage issue, or you have questions, or even comments for stormwater management, you can reach us at 770-278-7155. That's 770-278-7155. And I hope this sheds a little light on everything stormwater.